Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income money that flows in with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine earning while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to building long-term wealth. In this video, we'll break down what passive income really means, why it's important, and how you can start creating your own streams. Whether you're looking for financial freedom, extra security, or just more flexibility in life, passive income can be a game changer. Let's explore the possibilities together, starting with the basics and moving step by step toward actionable strategies. Passive income is money earned with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows your assets or systems to work for you. Think of it as planting seeds that grow and bear fruit over time. Examples include rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties from creative works, and online businesses. The key is that after some upfront work or investment, the income keeps coming in. Understanding this distinction is crucial as we move forward, so you can identify opportunities that truly fit the passive income model. Why should you care about passive income? For many, it's about achieving financial freedom and reducing reliance on a single paycheck. Passive income streams can provide a safety net during tough times, help you retire earlier, or simply give you more choices in life. They can supplement your main income, allowing you to save more, invest further, or enjoy life's pleasures without constant financial stress. As we go deeper, keep your personal goals in mind. Whether it's security, freedom, or flexibility, passive income can help you get there. Let's clarify the difference between active and passive income. Active income is what you earn from a job or business where your direct involvement is required. Think salaries, hourly wages, or freelance gigs. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. Passive income, on the other hand, continues to flow even when you're not actively working. This distinction is important because it shapes how you approach building wealth. By shifting some of your focus from active to passive income, you can create a more resilient and flexible financial life. There are many myths about passive income. Some believe it's effortless or that you can get rich overnight. In reality, most passive income streams require upfront work, investment, or both. Others think only the wealthy can build passive income, but anyone can start, even with limited resources. It's also a myth that passive income is completely hands-off. Most streams need occasional maintenance. By understanding these misconceptions, you'll be better prepared to set realistic expectations and avoid common pitfalls as you begin your journey. Passive income comes in many forms. Some of the most popular include real estate rentals, dividend-paying stocks, peer-to-peer lending, royalties from books or music, affiliate marketing, and creating online courses. Each type has its own pros and cons, risk levels, and required investments. The best choice depends on your interests, skills, and financial situation. In the next scenes, we'll explore each type in more detail, so you can find the right fit for your goals and lifestyle. One of the most classic passive income streams is real estate rental. By purchasing property and renting it out, you can earn steady monthly income. While it requires significant upfront investment and ongoing management, rental properties can appreciate in value and provide tax benefits. You can hire property managers to reduce your workload, making it more passive. However, it's important to research the market, understand local laws, and budget for maintenance and vacancies. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool if approached wisely. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another popular way to generate passive income. When you own shares in companies that pay dividends, you receive regular payouts, usually quarterly, just for holding the stock. This method requires some capital and a willingness to learn about the stock market, but it can be relatively hands-off once your portfolio is set up. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth growth over time. Remember, stock values can fluctuate, so it's important to diversify and invest for the long term. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a way to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, but it comes with higher risks. You'll need to research platforms carefully, diversify your loans, and be prepared for the possibility of defaults. While not as hands-off as some other options, peer-to-peer lending can be a valuable addition to your passive income portfolio if managed wisely. If you're a writer, musician, or artist, you can earn passive income through royalties. Once your book, song, or artwork is published or licensed, you receive payments each time it's sold or used. The upfront effort is significant, creating and marketing your work, but the income can continue for years. Digital platforms have made it easier than ever to distribute creative works globally, opening up new opportunities for artists of all kinds to build passive income streams. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services online and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. This can be done via blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. The key is to build an audience and provide valuable content that encourages trust. While it takes time to establish your platform, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income as your content continues to attract new visitors and generate sales over time. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to reach a global audience. After the initial work of developing your course, you can earn income every time someone enrolls. High-quality courses that address real needs can continue to generate sales for years, especially if you update content and engage with your audience periodically. Blogs and websites can generate passive income through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. The process starts with choosing a niche, creating valuable content, and attracting visitors. Over time, as your site gains traffic, you can monetize it in various ways. While it takes consistent effort to build up, a successful blog or website can continue to earn money long after the content is published, especially if you focus on evergreen topics. Automated online businesses, such as dropshipping or print-on-demand stores, can provide passive income with the help of technology. These models allow you to sell products without holding inventory or handling shipping. Once your systems are set up, orders are processed automatically, and you earn profits with minimal involvement. Success depends on choosing the right products, marketing effectively, and optimizing your operations for efficiency. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a way to invest in real estate without owning physical property. By purchasing shares in a REIT, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets and receive regular dividend payments. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them accessible and liquid. They're a great option for those who want real estate exposure with less hassle than direct property ownership. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, are low-risk ways to earn passive income through interest. While returns are modest compared to other options, these accounts are safe and require little effort. They're ideal for parking emergency funds or savings you don't need immediate access to. Over time, the interest earned can add up, especially if you consistently save and take advantage of the best rates available. If you have programming skills, creating an app or software can become a powerful passive income stream. Once developed and launched, apps can generate revenue through sales, subscriptions, or ads. The initial development phase is intensive, but successful apps can continue to earn for years with occasional updates. This path requires technical expertise and a good understanding of user needs, but the rewards can be substantial. Creating video content on platforms like YouTube can generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once your videos are uploaded, they can continue to attract views and generate income over time. Building a successful channel takes effort and creativity, but the potential for ongoing earnings is significant, especially if you focus on evergreen topics that remain relevant. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped automatically. You earn a profit on each sale, and the process is largely hands-off once your designs are uploaded. This model is ideal for creative entrepreneurs looking to monetize their art or ideas with minimal upfront investment. If you're a photographer, you can earn passive income by licensing your photos through stock photography websites. Once uploaded, your images can be purchased and downloaded by users worldwide, generating royalties each time. The more high-quality, in-demand photos you have, the greater your earning potential. This approach requires an initial investment of time and creativity, but can provide ongoing income for years. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or software tools can be sold online with little ongoing effort. Once created and listed on platforms such as Gumroad or Etsy, these products can generate sales around the clock. The key is to identify a need and create something valuable that solves a problem or saves time for your audience. With effective marketing, digital products can become a reliable source of passive income. Index funds are a simple, low-cost way to invest in the stock market and earn passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. By buying shares in an index fund, you gain exposure to a broad range of companies, reducing risk through diversification. Index funds require minimal management and are ideal for long-term investors seeking steady, hands-off growth. Automated savings and investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood make it easy to build passive income by rounding up purchases or automating investments. These apps help you save and invest consistently, even if you're busy or forgetful. Over time, small contributions can grow into significant wealth, thanks to the power of compounding. Automation removes barriers and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Owning vending machines or ATMs can provide a steady stream of passive income. After purchasing and placing the machines in high-traffic locations, you earn money each time someone makes a purchase or withdrawal. While there's some maintenance involved, the day-to-day effort is minimal. This business model requires upfront investment and research to find the best locations, but can be a reliable source of income with the right strategy. You can generate passive income by renting out assets you own, such as vehicles, equipment, or even storage space. Platforms like Turo or Airbnb make it easy to connect with renters and manage bookings. This approach allows you to monetize underused assets and earn extra income with little ongoing effort. It's important to maintain your assets and provide good service to maximize your earnings and minimize hassles. Owning a franchise can provide semi-passive income, especially if you hire managers to run daily operations. Franchises offer proven business models and brand recognition, reducing some of the risks of starting from scratch. However, they require significant upfront investment and ongoing oversight. With the right team and location, franchise ownership can be a profitable and relatively hands-off way to build wealth. Network marketing, or multi-level marketing, MLM, involves building a team that sells products or services. You earn commissions from your sales and a percentage from your team's sales. While some people achieve passive income through large downlines, MLMs are controversial and require careful research. Success depends on the company, products, and your ability to recruit and train others. Approach this option with caution and realistic expectations. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer orders, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Your role is to manage the online store and marketing. With the right niche and automation tools, dropshipping can become a source of passive income, though competition is high and profit margins can be slim. Success depends on effective marketing and customer service. If you own a mobile home or RV, renting it out can provide passive income, especially during peak travel seasons. Platforms like Outdoorsy connect owners with renters, handling bookings and payments. This approach allows you to monetize your vehicle when you're not using it, but requires regular maintenance and insurance. With good management, RV rentals can be a fun and profitable passive income stream. Bonds are loans you make to governments or companies in exchange for regular interest payments. They're considered lower risk than stocks and can provide steady, predictable income. While returns are generally lower, bonds are a good way to diversify your portfolio and reduce overall risk. They're especially useful for conservative investors seeking stability and reliable passive income. Membership sites offer exclusive content or services to paying subscribers. Once set up, you can earn recurring income as members pay monthly or annually for access. This model works well for communities, educational content, or specialized advice. The key is to provide ongoing value so members stay subscribed. With the right niche and engagement, membership sites can become a reliable passive income stream. If you create videos or music, you can license your work through stock platforms. Each time someone downloads your content, you earn a royalty. This approach is similar to stock photography and can provide ongoing income as your library grows. The more high-quality, in-demand content you produce, the greater your earning potential. It's a great way for creatives to monetize their skills passively. Email marketing automation allows you to build a list and send targeted messages that generate sales or leads on autopilot. Once your email sequences are set up, they can continue to nurture subscribers and drive revenue with minimal ongoing effort. This strategy works well for online businesses, bloggers, and creators looking to maximize the value of their audience. Crowdfunded real estate platforms allow you to invest in property projects with small amounts of money. By pooling resources with other investors, you gain access to deals that would otherwise be out of reach. These platforms handle management and distribute profits, making it a hands-off way to earn passive income from real estate. As always, research platforms carefully and diversify your investments to manage risk. With the right tools, dropshipping stores can be almost fully automated. Software can handle inventory updates, order processing, and customer communication. This reduces your workload and allows the business to run with minimal input. The key is to choose reliable suppliers and set up efficient systems. While competition is fierce, automation can give you an edge and free up your time for other pursuits. Cryptocurrency offers new opportunities for passive income, such as staking, lending, or earning interest on digital assets. While the market is volatile and risky, some investors earn by holding coins that pay rewards or by participating in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. It's important to research thoroughly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto can be a high-risk, high-reward addition to your passive income strategy. Robo-advisors create and manage investment portfolios automatically based on your goals and risk tolerance. These platforms use algorithms to rebalance your investments and optimize returns, requiring little to no ongoing effort from you. Robo-advisors are ideal for busy people who want to invest passively without the need for constant monitoring or decision-making. A strong personal brand can open doors to passive income through book deals, speaking engagements, and product endorsements. By sharing your expertise and building a loyal following, you create opportunities for income that continue even when you're not actively working. This approach requires consistent effort up front, but the long-term rewards can be substantial as your reputation grows. Automating your social media accounts with scheduling tools can help you grow an audience and monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or digital product sales. Once your content calendar is set up, posts go out automatically, freeing up your time. The key is to create engaging content and interact with your audience to keep them coming back. Publishing ebooks or print-on-demand books allows you to earn royalties with little ongoing effort. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing handle sales, printing, and distribution. Once your book is published, it can continue to generate income for years. The more books you publish, the greater your earning potential. Focus on topics with lasting appeal for the best results. Websites, blogs, and apps can generate passive income through automated ad networks like Google AdSense. Once your platform attracts enough visitors, ads are displayed automatically, and you earn money each time someone clicks or views them. The key is to create valuable content that attracts consistent traffic. Over time, ad revenue can become a reliable source of income with little ongoing effort. Digital platforms make it easy to collect royalties from music, books, or art automatically. Once your work is uploaded and licensed, payments are processed without your involvement. This allows you to focus on creating new works while enjoying ongoing income from your existing portfolio. The more content you have, the more you can earn passively. Property management software can automate many aspects of rental property ownership, from collecting rent to scheduling maintenance. This reduces your workload and makes real estate investing more passive. With the right tools, you can manage multiple properties efficiently and maximize your income with minimal effort. With so many options, how do you choose the right passive income stream? Consider your skills, interests, available capital, and risk tolerance. Start with one or two methods that align with your strengths and goals. Remember, it's better to master one stream than to spread yourself too thin. As you gain experience and confidence, you can diversify and add more streams to your portfolio. Ready to begin your passive income journey? Start by setting clear goals and researching your chosen streams. Take small, consistent steps, whether it's investing, creating content, or building a business. Track your progress and be patient. Passive income takes time to grow. With dedication and smart choices, you can build a more secure, flexible, and prosperous future. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom.